If you know you are in that group who don't like to see overripe plantain in your kitchen, and if you see it, you want to throw it away, gather here, let us prepare this peppered, fluffy plantain puff puff. You see your girl Benny of Benny's Kitchen? Well, come back to my kitchen. If you are new here, please subscribe. If you have been following me, thank you so very much. Keep liking and keep sharing. Give the video a thumbs up so that you prepare me to do more. So guys, today we are preparing this peppered plantain puff puff. You can see this overripe plantain here. This is what we are going to use for the puff puff. First of all, I'll get my yeast, then I'll add some warm water to dissolve it, let it stay in one place, then before we start what we are doing. So this is the yeast. I'm going to take 1 tablespoon, add in some warm water, then I'll allow it to do its own thing there. So this is 1 spoon of yeast, add in some warm water, not hot water, warm water, and allow it to set. So I'll set it aside like this. Then I'll get the plantains, peel and mash it very, very well. You can see how ripe the plantain is. Plantain is very sweet, but if it's overripe, no person likes eating it that way. So I'll train it away. Just do this very lovely snack. Use your potato masher and mash, or you can use your fork and mash. You have to level it, then sieve. In the bowl of flour, you make in a well and then add in the yeast. So you keep on stirring. If water is not enough, you can add some more warm water. Don't allow it to be too watery. Sugar. So I'll now add in the mashed plantain, overripe plantain. Now combine very well. Then you can see I have some peppers here. I'll add pepper. I'm using 2 habanero pepper. I want it to be a bit hot to cool down the sweetness of the unripe plantain. Then you have chopped onions. So I've mixed it very, very well. Then I'll now cover it and keep in a warm place for it to set. I'll keep it for between 15 and 20 minutes. So I'll use my kitchen towel to cover. You can use your pot cover, you can use foil paper, but I'm using my kitchen towel to cover, then put it in a warm place. So guys, this is after 25 minutes and here is what we have. So we are now at the final stage of our plantain puff puff. You can use your ice cream scooper, but I want to use my hand because the hand does it better. So this is what we have here. You see the thickness. So it's now time to fry. So let's move over to the gas cooker and start frying. So the oil is on the fire now. For me to know that it's hot, I'll just scoop a little bit of butter in the oil. And when it floats at top, you know that the oil is hot. You can see the bubbles coming out from it and it's floating up. So you know the oil is hot, so you can now start scooping into the oil. So people have different method of scooping theirs. This is how I scoop mine. You can even use your ice cream maker to scoop. Depends on how big you want yours to be. That's how you're going to scoop. If you want yours to be tiny, like those used for small chops, they are being scooped tiny. But if you eat in the house, you can make it to be a bit bigger. So you can see how tiny I'm scooping these ones now. And you have to fry in a moderate heat. If not, the outside will get brown while the inside is not well cooked. And when you are done putting them like this, you start turning them so that each side will be well cooked. So guys, this is our plantain puff puff, spicy plantain puff puff. You can make this at home for your family, or if you want to start a business, you can use this recipe. Just adjust to the recipe that I used. So you just keep stirring. So you just keep stirring like this so that they will be cooked evenly. And you know it is okay when it has turned golden brown. And for this too, you have to use enough oil, deep oil, to fry your plantain puff puff. You can see they are turning into golden brown. So get your sieve and kitchen towel ready so you can pour them in there to absorb the remaining oil. So guys, what do you think about our ripe plantain puff puff? Let me know in the comment section. So I'll just bring them out now so it doesn't get too brown and overcooked. Wow, see how beautiful the face is. So I'll just go ahead and finish the other batch of butter. Hi people, see what we have here. Our plantain puff puff is ready. See how beautiful they look. You have to try yours. You have to just try yours, please. And you can see how the inside is so fluffy. You can see what we have inside here. Just so fluffy. Try yours and tag me. Guys, I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.